Hello, this is Kalpita Parab. Now I am going to take a yoga session. In yoga, not only asanas is there, but pranayam, shuddhi kriya, mudra, bandha, also relaxation is there. So let's start our today's session. In Surya Namaskar, 12 steps are there. So we will see now Surya Namaskar step one by one. Okay. So I am using mat for Surya Namaskar. We have to stand straight with joint palm. This is step number 1, Namaskar pose. Now just raise your hands. Urdhva Namaskar. Then bend forward. This is Hasta Padasana. Next is fourth pose, Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Fifth, Dandasana. Sixth, Ashtanga Namaskar pose. 7, Bhujangasana. 8, Parvatasana और अधोमुख श्वानासन. 9, again Ashwa Sanchalanasana. 10, Hasta Padasana. 11, Urdhva Namaskar. Then Namaskar pose. So these are the 12 steps of Surya Namaskar. So guys, let's start our session step by step. Okay. So first we will do Sandhi Chalan. After that Omkar chanting. Then Shuddhi Kriya, Asanas, Pranayam and relaxation. Okay. Before doing yogasanas, we have to do first Sandhi Chalan. So I will explain what is a Sandhi Chalan. Sandhi Chalan means joint movement. So we will start Sandhi Chalan. So I am using my Turkish towel for Sandhi Chalan. First you have to sit with the straight leg. First ankle rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then up down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After that, up and down. Just stretch your body upward. Then 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up. Okay. Next Sandhi Chalan is shoulder rotation. So we will sit in Bharatiya Baithak. So we will start shoulder rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this rotation, just keep your hands straight and start rotating your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is just open your fist and again make a fist. Stretch your fingers, again make a fist 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So next is neck up and down. 1, 2, 3, After Sandhi Chandana, we will start yogasanas. So first, before that, we will chant Om. So we will starting with the Omkar. So Omkar is equal to O is equal to A plus U plus M. So ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 4. Okay. So let's start together. I am sitting in a Bharatiya Baithak, or you can sit in any meditative pose like Vajrasana, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana. So just keep your body straight, neck straight. Just close your eyes, and I am keeping my hands on my knees in Drona Mudra. So I am chanting Om. Take a deep breath in. After Om chanting, just be there for some time and just feel that vibration in your body. Slowly open your eyes. After Omkar chanting, we will go for Shuddhi Kriya. So शुद्धि क्रिया करने से आपका जो मसल पैसेज है वो क्लियर होगा. इससे आपको प्राणायाम जो है वो करने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प होगी. सो कपालभाति करने के लिए फर्स्ट वी विल सिट इन पद्मासन. दिस इज अ लोटस पोज. आई एम कीपिंग माय हैंड्स इन रोल मुद्रा लाइक दिस. कीप योर बॉडी स्ट्रेट. फॉर कपालभाति just take a deep breath in. Expand your chest. Just fix your chest. After this, take a 2-3 stomach breath and start giving stroke with the help of stomach. After 20 strokes, just breathe out. Slowly take your chest down. Just be there for some time. Feel the effect of Kapalbhati in your body. Slowly open your eyes and release your asana. So let's start our sitting asanas. First asana is Svanasana. Before that, I am sitting in relaxing position. Just keep your hands behind your body like this. Take a distance in your leg. Now sit in a fully relaxing position like this. Tilt your neck at one side. Now I am going to perform Svanasana. For that, just do first ready position. First is ready position. For that, just keep your neck straight, back straight, hands by the side of your body. Join your legs. This is my ready position. So I am sitting in Bharatiya Baithak for Svanasana. Just slide your hands forward and come on the knees. Now just join your knees, join your toes, heels. Now this is a cat pose. from cat pose and going to Svanasana. Just keep your heels apart, make a sit over there and slowly sit on your leg and keep your hands by the side of your knees. So this is a final pose of Svanasana, and now I am taking final pose. Just be there for some time, chin up and close your eyes. Count 4 to 5 breathing. Now slowly open your eyes. Again, slide your hands forward, cross your legs and sit in a Bharatiya Baitak for relieving this asana, and keep your legs straight. Again, go into the relaxing position. Next asana is Vajrasana. For that, I am going into the ready position, hands by the side of your body. Join your legs like this. Sit straight. This is the ready position. Now I am going to the Bharatiya Baitak. Slide your hands forward. Come to the cat pose again. Now join your knees and join your toes. Heels apart. Make a sit over there and sit on your leg like this. Okay. You can see my legs. This is a proper Vajrasana position. Okay. Don't do like this. Okay. Just join your toes and heels apart. Make a sit over there and sit like this. Sit straight. So this is the final position of a Vajrasana. I am keeping my hands on my knees and I am now closing my eyes and starting breathing count. Breathing count means inhale, exhale as 1. Okay, so you can count inhale, exhale as 1. Inhale, exhale as 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. You can hold this position for 5 to 7 count. Okay. Now let's relieve this asana. So go. Again, I am sliding my hands forward. Now crossing my legs and sitting in Bharatiya Baitak for relieving this asana. Again, I am going to sit in relaxing position. Our next asana is Ardha Padmasana, half lotus pose. For that, just sit in a ready position first. This is my ready position. Now, just fold your right leg vertically with the help of your hand. Keep your foot on the left thigh and fold your left leg and keep it under the knee like this. This is our half lotus pose. Keep your both hands on your knees. This is called Drona Mudra. For final position, keep your back straight, neck straight, close your eyes. Now concentrate on your breathing and start breathing count. Be there for some time. Breathing count means inhale, exhale as 1 count. So in this position, we have to stay stable for 5 to 7 breaths. For relieving this asana, just open your eyes. Slowly, with the help of your hand, keep your right leg down, unfold your right leg, then unfold your left leg and go to the relaxing position. For that, again from the relaxing position, go to the ready position. Join your legs, hands by the side of your body. Keep your body straight. This is also called Dandasana. Don't keep your hands like this. So your posture will be changed. So just keep your hand gently like this for the ready position. First, fold your right leg vertically with the help of your hand. Keep your right foot on the left thigh. Now fold your left leg with the help of your hand. Place your left leg on a left foot on a right thigh. So this is our final position. So keep your both the hands on your knees in Drona Mudra. This is called Drona Mudra. Keep your back straight, neck straight. Close your eyes. Just be there for some time. Hold this final position for 5 to 7 breaths. As I said, inhale, exhale as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For relieving this asana, just open your eyes and go in reverse manner. Means first relieve your left leg, unfold your left leg. After that, unfold your right leg and go to the final position. Go to the relaxing position. So if you're having any problem, if you're having joint problem or knee problem, so don't do this asana. Standing asanas. In standing asana, we will first see Tadasana. For that, just stand straight. Take a deep shoulder distance in your leg like this. Now slowly raise your hands. Stretch your hands upward. Stretch your fingers and slowly come on your toes. For balancing, just see at one point. After 5 to 7 breathing count, you can release this asana. Slowly keep your legs down, hands down. We will do these asanas 2 times. Okay? So again, second round. Slowly take your hands upward. Stretch your hands, fingers, and slowly come on your toes. For maintaining your balance, look at one point. After 5 to 7 breath, you can relieve this asana. For this, just come down, take a hands down. Next asana is Trikonasana. For that, just take a distance, comfortable distance in your leg. Now, keep your both the hands in the shoulder line. Just look at your hands. Okay. So now, just bend at one side. So first I am bending to my right side. And look at the left hand. This is the final pose of Trikonasana. You can hold this asana for 5 to 7 breaths. After 5 to 7 breaths, just come up and do this asana with another side. So I am looking upward at my right hand. After 5 to 7 breaths, just release this asana and come to the normal position. Just relax for a few seconds. After this, we will go to the Utkatasana, means squat pose. For that, just stand straight. Keep a shoulder distance in your leg. Now, just keep your hands straight in front of your body like this. Slowly fold your knees in 90-degree angle. Keep your back straight while doing this asana. For balancing, look at one point. After 5 to 7 breath, just release this asana. Again, come up. Slowly take your hands down. Again, second round is there. So, I will show you this asana in this angle. After relaxing, go for the second round. So, take a distance in your legs. Keep your hands straight. Keep your body straight, neck straight. Slowly go to the Utkatasana. Just bend your knees in 90-degree angle. Don't do like this or this. Okay, this is not a proper posture. This is a correct posture of Utkatasana. After 5 to 7 breath, you can release this asana. Just relax for a few seconds. So next asana is Chakrasana, standing Chakrasana wheel pose. For that, again I am taking shoulder distance in my leg. Now keep your both the hand in shoulder line like this. Just look at your hands. It is proper or not. So just for balancing, just look at one point. Slowly bend from your waist. Slowly bend towards your right. This is the final pose of Chakrasana. So while taking this pose, keep your hand straight from the elbow and keep your right hand in relaxing position. After 5 to 6 breath, again come up. Slowly do this asana from another side. I am bending my left side, so my left hand is in relaxing position and my right hand is in straight position. After 5 to 7 breath, just leave this asana. Our next asana is supine position asana. Supine means आपको अपने बैक के ऊपर लेटना है. ओके, उसके बाद आपको कभी भी आसन करते समय आपको लाई डाउन करने के लिए यू कैन यूज अ हैंड. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई एम लाई डाउन on my back. So this is the proper technique for lying down. So I am going into the relaxing position. This is our relaxing position. In supine position, we will see first Utthita Dvipadasana. So for that, I am going to the ready position. For that, just join your legs, hands. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Now, just place your legs together in 30-degree angle. So for that, just take the support of your hands. So I am taking my support. Slowly raise your legs in 30-degree angle. Close your eyes and start breathing count. After 5 to 7 breaths, you can release this asana. Slowly remove your support and again go to the Aram Sthiti or relaxing position. After this, second asana is Viparit Karni Mudra. Okay, for that I am going to the ready position. First, join your legs, join your knees, toes properly. Hands by the side of your body. Just lift your legs, both the legs, backward like this. Take hand support at your back and slowly raise your legs. This is called Viparit Karni Mudra. This is the final position. Just be there for some time. Close your eyes. Just concentrate on your breathing and start breathing count. After 5 to 7 breaths, just release this asana. Open your eyes first, then slowly take your legs down. Remove your support of your hands. With the contracting abdominal muscle, relieve this asana properly, like this. Now go to the Aram Sthiti or relaxing position. Our next asana is Setu Bandhasana. For that, I am taking position. First is ready position. Just join your legs. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Now slowly fold your knees. Knees fold करने के बाद आपके बटक्स में और नी में थोड़ा डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए. धीरे धीरे बैक मसल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करते हुए आपको बॉडी को लिफ्ट करना है. इस तरह से जितना हो सकता है उतना लिफ्ट करना है बॉडी को. दिस इज द फाइनल पोजीशन, ब्रिज पोज और सेतु बंधासन. Be there for some time. Just hold this position with the eyes closed. Now start breathing count. Just concentrate on your breathing and start the breathing counts. Inhale, exhale as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 to 7 breath, just leave this asana. Open your eyes slowly. Keep your back down. Unfold your leg. Now again go to the relaxing position. Our next asana is Uttana Tadasana, means lying down करके हमको ताड़ासन करना है. For that, just go to the ready position. Join your legs one by one, first right then left. Now keep your hands by the side of your body, first right then left. Slowly lift your hands towards your head and stretch your body fully upward and toes downward. Hold this position for some time. Just close your eyes and start breathing out. That is inhale, exhale as 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. After 5 to 7 breath, just रिलीव दिस आसन. फर्स्ट हमें जो स्ट्रेच दिया है उसको कम करना है फॉर रिलीविंग द आसन. नाउ स्लोली गो टू द आराम स्थिति और रिलैक्सिंग पोजीशन. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोन पोजीशन आसन. प्रोन पोजीशन मीन्स पेट के बल लेटना है. उसके लिए फिर से हमें हाथ का सपोर्ट लेना है और पेट के बल लेटना है. For relaxing position, just keep distance in your leg. Palms facing upward. And keep your neck at one side, either left or right. So from this, we are going to our asanas. First asana is Bhujangasana. For that, just join your palms, join your legs. Now keep your hands straight and keep your both the hands by the side of your chest like this. Head on the floor. Slowly हमें अपने नोज को और चिन को घिसते हुए ऊपर आना है. Just contract your back muscles. So this is the final pose of Bhujangasana. पूरी तरह से बैक के ऊपर प्रेशर आना चाहिए. Don't pressure on your hand. So you can change the pressure. आप अपने हाथों को उठा के प्रेशर चेक कर सकते हैं. This is a Bhujangasana's final pose. Just close your eyes. And start the breathing count. Inhale, exhale as 1. After 5 to 7 count, you can open your eyes and slowly release this asana. Slowly keep your forehead down. Keep your hand by the side of your body. Take distance in your legs. Now this is the relaxing position. Next asana is Shalbhasana. For that, I am taking ready position. For Shalbhasana, just keep your hands straight, join your legs and fix your chin on the floor like this. For the support, my hands, just keep your hands under your thighs like this. Fix your chin and slowly raise your legs. After 5 to 7 breath, release this asana slowly. Remove your support, hand support and again go to the relaxing position. आप अपने नेक को अल्टरनेटली रख सकते हो. Our next asana is Dhanurasana, bow pose. For that, again I am taking ready position. So join your legs, knees, toes. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Forehead on the floor. Slowly fold your legs. Catch hold your ankles. And slowly unfold your knees. final position of Dhanurasana. You can feel the pressure on your back or stomach. Just close your eyes, be there for some time. Concentrate on your breathing and start the breathing count. After this 5 to 7 breath, just leave this asana, slowly go down. दोनों पैरों को नीचे रखना है, अपनी गर्दन को एक साइड में, कौन से भी एक साइड में रखना है और रिलैक्सिंग पोजीशन में जाना है। Next asana is Makrasana, crocodile pose. For that, just take a maximum distance like this. Heels, आपके heels को अंदर की तरफ रखना है और toes को बाहर की तरफ। उसके बाद दोनों हाथों को इस तरह से आप रख सकते हो मकरासन में, और अपने फोरहेड को दोनों हाथों के ऊपर रखना है इस तरह से। इसे आप सुलभ मकरासन कह सकते हैं। इसके बाद हम मकरासन में जाएंगे, तो धीरे धीरे अपने राइट हैंड को लेफ्ट शोल्डर पे रखना है और लेफ्ट हैंड को राइट शोल्डर पे, और अपने फोरहेड को दोनों हाथ के ऊपर रखना है। ध्यान रहे वक्रासन करते हुए आपकी चेस्ट जो है वो लिफ्ट होनी चाहिए, चेस्ट के ऊपर प्रेशर आना नहीं चाहिए। This is also relaxing pose. To release this asana, just open your eyes, keep your hands by the side of your body and go into the relaxing position. Next asana is Shashankasana. For that, just keep your legs straight. Slowly lift your body and आपकी बॉडी को पीछे की तरफ लेके जाना है पूरी तरह से। This is the final pose of Shashankasana. This is the final pose of Shashankasana. After 5 to 6 breaths, just go to the relaxing position slowly. सारे आसन करने के बाद हमारे बॉडी को रिलैक्सेशन की ज़रूरत होती है। फॉर रिलैक्सेशन हम लोग मकरासन कर सकते हैं या फिर शवासन। सो लेट्स गो फॉर शवासन। दोनों पैरों पे डिस्टेंस रखना है, दोनों हाथ अपने शरीर की बाजू में रखने हैं, पाम्स फेसिंग अपवर्ड, नेक को एक साइड में टिल्ट करना है और आंखों को बंद करना है। While doing Shavasana, just concentrate on your body parts. and slowly relax your body parts one by one. First, concentrate on your left leg. Just relax your muscles, thigh muscles, ankle joint, knee joint. Now slowly shift your mind to your right leg. Relax your right leg muscles, ankle joint, knee joint, thigh muscle, calf muscle. Now shift your mind towards your back. Slowly relax your back muscles. पूरी तरह से रिलैक्स हुए आपके बैक मसल्स. Now just concentrate on your stomach. Slowly relax your abdominal muscles. You can feel your muscles is relaxing. Now shift your mind towards your chest muscles. You can feel fully relaxed body. Now we are shifting our mind towards our hands. So relax your right hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder joint.